Hey, welcome back to Mr. Meal's Music. I'm Anthony Meal. Here's how you play the circle dance game to Toembai. The song is broken up into three phrases. So the first phrase is Toembai, 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 and it repeats again. Toembai, 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 Toembai. For this phrase, the students will go and they'll keep the beat on their leg, and it's going to go like this. Toembai, 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 Toembai. Toembai, 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 and they're going to be clapping their neighbor's hands. So all together, Toembai, 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 Toembai. The next phrase is tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. So it'll go something like this. Tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. So the whole pattern is heel, touch, clap, clap, heel, touch, clap, clap. The third and final phrase goes tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. So you'll be having your feet together and you'll step apart, touch, step apart, touch, step apart, touch, clap, clap. So it'll go something like this. Tra la 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 la, and you do that twice. If your kids can handle it, the trickier version would be going apart, and every time your feet close, they clap their hands. So it'd be tra la 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 la. So these were the basics for playing the circle dance for Toembai. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, please subscribe and share, and stay tuned for the teacher tips and tricks. Different things you can do with this dance to give your students a little more challenge and a little more say in what happens with the game.